When celebrating Lunar New Year, my family will always have dumplings on the feasting table. Aside from the fact that they're super delicious, these plump, juicy parcels of goodness are said to give you good fortunes for the year ahead. How so, you might wonder? Well, if you look at the shape of these dumplings, they're quite similar to gold ingots, which were used as money during the ancient period in China. So if you have dumplings, you're gonna have good fortunes this year. In my family, it is tradition to stuff some dumplings with a gold coin. Usually it's a $2 Australian coin because they're quite small and you can hide them inside a dumpling without it being visible from the outside. And if you are one of the lucky few who got a dumpling with a coin inside, that means you're going to have an even better and prosperous year. This makes eating dumplings during Lunar New Year even more special for us. And don't worry, we do disinfect the coins before we stuff them inside the dumplings. So what we do is we would boil the coins with vinegar for about 10 minutes, then we let it soak for another 30 minutes before giving them a good scrub and a rinse. It is a little bit of work, but we do this only once a year and it just makes everything extra special. And to add variety, I like to boil half of the dumplings and pan fry the other half. These dumplings are super delicious on their own, or you can serve them with a garlicky dipping sauce with some homemade chili oil.